of asparagus soup recipe. Yield, 3 to 4 servings. Prep time, 8 to 10 minutes. Cook time, 12 to 15 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. Ingredients, soup. 5 cups, 1.5 pounds, fresh white asparagus. 4 cups, 1 L of water. 2 medium-sized potatoes. 3 cloves garlic. 1 onion. 2 bouillon cubes. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika powder optional, salt and pepper to taste. Optional garnishes, roasted hazelnuts. Fried onions, fresh chives. Directions. 1. Wash the asparagus and peel the outer layer with a peeler. Trim off the ends to remove any dried, woody bits. 2. Place the asparagus in a large soup pot on medium-high heat, with 2 cups of water, and steam them for 8 to 10 minutes. 3. Once steamed, transfer the asparagus to a plate and reserve the steaming liquid. 4. While the asparagus is steaming, wash and chop your onions, garlic and potatoes. 5. Return the pot to the burner, add the oil and onions, sautéing for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are soft and golden. Add splashes of the reserved water to deglaze the pot as needed. 6. Add the garlic and sauté for another minute, until fragrant. Then add the potatoes, bouillon cubes, paprika powder and remaining reserved water. Add enough extra water to make 4 cups. Bring to a boil, then turn the heat down to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 7. While you are waiting for the potatoes to boil, cut the tips from the asparagus, to reserve as garnish. Cut the stalks into 2 to 3 pieces and add to the pot after it has boiled, and you have turned it down to a simmer. 8. Once the potatoes are soft enough to poke through with a fork, remove the soup from the heat and use a hand blender to puree the soup. 9. Serve with crushed roasted hazelnuts, fresh chives, a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of fried onions. Enjoy! Notes. 1. Variations, add spices as desired, such as basil or cumin while blending to vary flavors. Get creative with this one. 2. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Store in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 months. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.